All right, here we go. So for this example, I'm going to show you where the people actually who build this stuff congregate. So it's this website called huggingface.co, right? Interesting name. But this is where all the people who are actually building the AI tools, this is where they first upload them. And this is an insider secret. This is how I get a lot of my information to know about what's coming out, what's new, what's the new advances. And this is where actually I get it at, right? So this website is mainly built around developers and problem solvers, but they have places where you can test out the AI tools so you can know how to work. So right here in models, this is again based around the developer standpoints, and so this is something that they will understand. And also here with data sets, so this is where they go ahead and download this and build them into their own tools. But what I want you all to go to the site is right here is Spaces, right? Spaces is where all the new AI tools get released first. Or, and it may not be the full tool, but you are able to see, where things are headed, right? So I know when DALL-E 2 first came out, this is where I got, this is where it kind of blew my mind. So there's this thing called DALL-E Mini, and DALL-E Mini is pretty much another version of DALL-E where you can type in any image and it will turn the text into an image. So this is, it's going to take you to a website called Crayon, which is a form of DALL-E Mini. But while that's loading up, I want to show you some of the other tools. So Stable Diffusion is pretty much a better version of DALL-E Mini. It's a little bit like DALL-E 2 that we have now, and I'll do another video on DALL-E 2. But one of the most interesting things I found is the text to image. So what I did, I went, clicked on it, and I typed in an uplifting song that reminds you that life is great, something you listen to when there's a bright and sunny day, right? And here is what it generated. Again, this is my very own song that I've generated from a sentence. Now, this is, if that's not mind-blowing, I don't know what is. But again, this is my very own song. They sent it to my email. And yeah, you can literally create a song from a sentence. And now you can go in there and say, I'm feeling sad today. Create me a song that, that let me know I'm sad, but there's also hope. However you want to do it, you can go in there and play with this. This is a very cool tool. Created by this guy named Moopert, and they have a lot more other, you see 936 pages of cool tools that people have created, that not many people know about. So I want you to go in there and get it. Let's also see what DALL-E Mini created. A horse with a cowboy hat. Let's see if any of these work. See, DALL-E Mini is a little work in progress, but you're able to see the capabilities, let's just say the least. But again, go in there with the huggingface.co, test out some of these tools, and like I said, you'll be some of the first people to be able to test out these tools. The highest liked tool only has 5,000 people who liked it, and these are full of developers. Now, this is not very non-tech savvy people, but again, and the third highest tool is only liked by 974 people. So again, these are very underrated tools that not many people know about. And if you can go in there and learn first, you may be able to find the edge, which I did, on everyone else, by getting in there first. So again, this is an insider secret from me to you. Because you bought this course, I'm happy you did. Go in there and test this one out, and I guarantee you won't be disappointed. All right, let's go on to the next.